ahora también incluso atacar suelo ruso. Lo cierto es que el vicepresidente del gobierno italiano y ministro de Asuntos Exteriores, Antonio Tajani, aseguró hoy que, lo que decía Nina, ¿no?, que el presidente Vladimir Putin trata de asustar a Europa y a Occidente al advertir sobre la potencia del armamento nuclear de Moscú, pero también señaló que es parte del juego de cara a las próximas elecciones europeas.
Putin está librando en este momento una guerra. Amenaza y eleva el tono en vísperas de las elecciones europeas, intenta asustar a Europa y Occidente, pero es parte del juego. Y nosotros no debemos ir directamente a la...
The ground surface of Campi Flegrei has been rising by 0.4 to 8 inches per year. This inflation rate is lower than what was observed during the last 3 periods of unrest, but this has been the case for almost 2 decades. Volcanologists began to wonder what would happen if the Earth's crust stretched beyond its breaking point. There has also been an increase in the frequency and intensity of earthquakes in the region since the summer. The numbers have decreased in recent weeks, but large earthquakes still rock the region. In June, a group of scientists published a paper trying to decode the behavior of volcanoes over the past 70 years. If this interpretation of the research is correct, it could also explain what is happening today. According to them, this is what is happening. At a depth of 5 to 6 miles, there is a reservoir of magma that is constantly emitting dangerous gases. Some of the gas is trapped in layers of rock about 2 miles below the surface, and some escapes from small volcanic vents in places like the foul-smelling Solfatara crater. The researchers hypothesized that, in the 1950s, a collection of magma intruded near the rock barrier, cracking it slightly and lifting the Earth's crust. Once the magma cools and additional gas escapes to the surface, uplift stops and the ground subsides, although it never returns to levels measured before uplift. The team believes the same process occurred again in the 1970s and 1980s. By the time of the riots in the 1980s, repeated cracking of the Earth's crust had created new pathways for trapped gas to escape, leading to significant subsidence of the land surface over the subsequent period. Many of the fractures have healed. The last 3 injections of magma have cooled and solidified, creating a magma seal, which is also a barrier to the escape of gas. But gas continues to escape from the deep magma reservoir, and most of it has accumulated again in the rocky barrier about 2 miles below, causing the ground to expand. Magmatic gas rising from below and being trapped is enough to explain the uplift that has occurred since 2005, and the recent and sometimes powerful earthquakes may originate from aggressive coalescence of newly formed cracks. If improvement continues, eventually something will make it.